Hi guys and girls, in this video we're going to be looking at this beautiful spoon. Now I gotta tell you, this was a thrift store find. Usually I find these kind of spoons inside the bags. Thrift store will put a bag up and they're gonna have maybe 3 or 4 of these spoons inside. I would usually just scan through and see if I can identify anything that looks like silver. So what I'm gonna be looking at is basically the color. You can see how it looks. And also I'm gonna be looking for the tarnish. You see how dark it is right here? You have nice dark spots inside there. Right here it looks nice and dark as well. We have some darkness just at the top there. And then look at that. These beautiful stains here. That's a good indicator that it's silver. This is not dirt. The spoon was washed with soap. And this does not come out. This is tarnish. And just some tarnish on the back there. Now let me take a look if this spoon marked with anything anywhere. And I'll come back to you in 1 second. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so from the top I do see it looks like some kind of a Roman or maybe Greek columns underneath that. So just right here, and underneath that it says Corinth, Corinth, and then just underneath that, just right there, I would say this says 925, but unfortunately that's not what I'm reading. It is saying B for Bravo 25. So just right there it says B25. What B25 stands for, I have actually no clue, so if you do know, please let me know. And then just if we go down the spoon, just right here, I do see it says 800, 800 from my experience means this is 80% silver. Now let's take a look at the back. I do not see anything at the back at all. I do see no markings on the back. So just those 3 marks at the front. First one, second one, and third one right there, I believe. Yes, just right there. So we're going to be testing this spoon. It looks to be one solid silver piece. So we can do maybe a couple marks. Let's do maybe the spoon itself in this side. Maybe we'll do here. And maybe we'll do, well, let's do one more of the very top right there. So we'll do 3 marks. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, this is coming off very, very nice. Metal feels very soft, like I don't have to press hard at all. This is just coming off super nicely. First mark from this side here. Let's do second mark maybe from here. Okay, for this one, I have to press a little bit harder. Maybe just awkward to hold, so it's not coming off as easily. But metal feels very soft as well, although I am pressing harder. There you go, that's the mark just from this side here. All right, and let's do just the top right there. There we go. Okay, this is feeling very, very soft. I am pressing pretty hard, but the metal feels very soft. It's rubbing off very, very easily. There we go. Okay, so let's take our acids and take a look at what we have here. We're going to be using our 18 karat acid today. Let's take a look. First drop on the first mark. Let's see. Okay, so that turned super quickly. Looks very nice and blue. Excellent. Second drop on the second mark. Okay, that turned super nice and blue as well, very fast. Now the first drop already turned basically white. Second drop still blue, but turning white. Let's do the third one. There we go. That turned super nice and blue, very fast. Excellent. Well, I'm going to say this is a real thing. And even for 80%, right? This spoon is 80%. Look how consistent that is. Beauty. Just super beautiful. Let's zoom in. There we go, just so you can see it better. This is nice and solid. This is a bit more spread out. And this is very together as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next one.